अंग्रेजी ज़बान में महीनों के नाम का दुरुस्त तलफुज़ सीखें।
First month is called January. 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 Second month is February. 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 Third month is called March. 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 Fourth month is April. 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 Fifth month is May. 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 Sixth month is June. 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 Seventh month is July. 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 Eighth month is August. 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 Ninth month is September. 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 10th month is October. 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 11th month is November. 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 Last month is December. 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 Let's repeat them. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Now say it with me. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December.